We want you to power Oklahoma's future in the world of engineering, manufacturing, and technology. We need everything from the brilliant minds that explore the mysteries deep in the bedrock of Oklahoma to the curious scientists who aren't afraid to get their hands dirty. We need innovative thinkers to help protect the privacy of our outstanding citizens, as well as creative minds to design and build secure networks who think globally and strive to give Oklahomans a competitive edge in cybersecurity. The time is now for you to redesign our communities and to reach new heights. This module will provide you the opportunity to find your place in Oklahoma's future. Use these tools to discover your talents and passions, find activities that interest you, and connect with local professionals. Come in and get started on your path to this exciting industry.